I told y'all guys I was gonna get these phones. We got the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. The video is about to start now. And I thank you again, guys, for tuning in to this unboxing. So we got the Pixel 6 right here. As you can see, it is only sub 6 5G. So it only has, like what the N2, N5, N48, N66. That it has basically the mid bands, the low band and mid bands of 5G. And then we got the 6 Pro, which has millimeter wave and sub 6. And this color is sort of sunny. And this one is kind of coral. All right, let's get these bad boys opened up, and then we're gonna set them up. I'm gonna put my my Gmail on them. We're gonna get them going, and then we are going to test these phones. We're not just gonna do network testing on these phones, but I'm gonna do a lot of camera in detail and depth. I'm gonna see if they can handle my abuse. As you guys can see, I have the Surface Duo 2 here with me. We're gonna do a lot of comparison with this thing because I've actually, as you guys can see, we got the Verizon in here. So I've been actually using this phone as one of my mains. So let's get these things opened up and let's get this video cracking. Of course, they got the pull tabs. Everybody's doing the Apple thing now, so let's get these pull tabs out of the way real quick. Okay, so on the Pro, you got the down tab. I'm so sorry about the wind noise, guys. We are here at the park, and the reason why I wanted to do this at the park was to get those shots. You know what I'm saying? Like those still photography shots that are very, very like in depth and detail. Let me put these tabs in here so we don't litter. All right, so that's what she looks like right there. Let's open up the coral, the kind of coral, and this is what they look like, guys. These are the colors right here. Let's get the coral. As you can see, the bump, every phone has the damn camera bump now, so to avoid the camera bump, it ain't happening, Chief. So let me zoom in here a little bit. Let's get a quick zoom in on that bump. Yeah, that bump is pretty in depth right there. But it actually looks pretty good. Let's see the ultra wide lens right there for the iPhone. This is the coral. Look at that bump right there. Oh, guys, also we're shooting this with the ProRes on the iPhone ProRes video. So let's see what comes in the box here on both of these bad boys. So put these up here real quick, actually down here, actually face down, so I don't want to scratch the camera yet. So you get your little booklet, your little SIM popper tool, you get your USB A to C dongle for transferring USB C to C. You get the same thing in this box. So let's do the peeling right here. Here, let me put it up close against the mic. Let me see if I can get y'all to hear that peel. I'll clip the mic off of me here so you can tell we got the mic going. There we go, that's one. And then let's do the peel on the next one. There you guys go, you got to hear that peel up close and personal. All right, so let's turn these on here real quick. Oh, let's see here. Power button's right there. Boom. Hold on, let's put this in here. Okay. As you guys can tell, I like to keep my stuff in pristine condition. Or at least try to. So if I ever sell a phone to one of you guys and you guys end up buying it, you'll always get like the stickers. I always have all that stuff. I keep it in pristine condition, package wise. So let's turn this on. And this one, guys, right here, it's a This one's a Verizon variant, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. I think they did give me the Verizon variant at the Best Buy. Yeah, they did. So this is a Verizon variant. So let's get this. I'm gonna get this set up, guys, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is what I found interesting. So I put the AT&T SIM in here, right? Even though this is an unlocked model, it wants to try to download the My AT&T app, the AT&T Call Connect, which is kind of weird, but I took that off because I don't like none of that stuff on the phone anyways. But I wanted you guys to see this. The actual Pixel Pro is set up. I'm just doing updates on the apps and stuff like that, guys. So, you know, just give me a little bit more and we'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm gonna include videos here. I'm done setting up the Pixel. So I'm gonna include some videos here at the end, pictures and videos of both phones. Plus, I'm gonna include video of on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, comparing the same type of scenario that I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will catch you in the next one. All right, guys, this video is on the Pixel 6. Let's do a little bit of turn. Let's see the stabilization. What I noticed is the colors are pretty processed. Like, you can tell it's not as natural looking as the iPhone would be. And the Samsung does have a little bit more naturalization too. But here you go. Now let's do the 2 zoom. Since that's all it gives us, 2 zoom. It starts to get a little grainy, as I can tell, just on 2 zoom. Back to 1. It looks sharp again. Looks pretty good. As I can tell, it pauses for a second as I move. So if, let's say if I point at this and then I move, it has a jitter, at least on my end. Now let's go to the ultra wide. Here's your 0.7, guys, your 0.7. There you guys go. See, like the sky, it turns it pretty blue. But I mean, videos has always been a little bit of a weak spot for Pixel, but I mean, it is better. But I noticed that the phone is getting a little bit warm. All right, guys, here you guys go. Now we're gonna move on to the Pixel 6 Pro. All right, guys, this video now is on the 6 Pro. So now here's the regular 6, and what I'm noticing, it is a little bit warm. I'm not gonna deny it's pretty warm. Just for that 1-minute video, it warmed it up. So let's see here. We're gonna be doing this with the 6 Pro. Here you guys go. We're moving around. Okay, now let's see. Let's do image stabilization. Let me try to move up and down quick. Let's see. There's a jitter. See. Okay, so it seems good so far. All right, so 2 zoom. 4 zoom. Starts to get really grainy. As you can tell, you lose a lot of detail in the video at 4. Now let's do the ultra wide here at 0.7. 0.7, guys. Back to the main shooter 1. And here's 2 zoom. Alright, guys. Video on the Pixel 6 Pro. And guys, I gotta throw this in here, a video on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, just so you guys can see the comparison. 13 Pro Max, you can see the sky is not over blued. The trees look about the same color as I'm looking at it with my own eyes. It's not oversaturated. Yeah, it's a little bit darker, but let's see here. Let's do a 0.5. 0.5. Back to 1. Now we're gonna go 3 times zoom. As you can see, the video does not grain up as it did in the Pixel. In the Pixel, it started graining up when I hit the 4X on the Pro. So there you guys go. Here's a good comparison right here. iPhone still has the video down. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.